Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I want to show you how to make a salad and fruit display. A salad and fruit display. Okay, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, share the video, and let's do it. Thank you. Okay, so I have a head of romaine lettuce that came like this. I took the outer parts that I didn't like off. I cut it in half with a knife. Okay, so this is the half that we're going to actually use here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this half of romaine lettuce and we're going to stuff it. Instead of having a salad where you cut it up, we're going to display it all on this half of romaine. So I'm pushing it down so that you can see where I can stuff it. Any imperfections, just take it off. Okay, so I have here some items that I have already prepared for you. I have some small tomatoes, cucumber, mushrooms, orange sweet pepper, red onion, shredded carrots. In addition to that, I have also the fruit that's going to go around this. So let's get started. I want to place the tomatoes in first. So I'm looking for the little pockets that I'm going to stuff everything into, like so. This is to put on your table so that you have a display that is quite different. If you take your hand and push the lettuce out, you can kind of open it up. And I'm losing my tomatoes. Let me put them back in. Okay, now let's put some cucumbers in. I'll put the cucumbers in between the tomatoes. Okay, now I have some mushrooms. Let's stick those in. Okay, now let's go with our sweet peppers. I picked the orange color for the purpose of having a nice color to give a contrast. Look at that, guys. Wow, that one's kind of big. Okay. Now I have some onions here, red onions. I'm going to actually separate the onions and put those in. So you'll notice how I'm placing them carefully in an arrangement. I like that. Okay. Now let's go with some carrots. I have some shredded carrots. Okay, and I can see where I can put some more tomatoes in. A few more. I think one more maybe. Okay, so now that I have my salad all made for display, I'm going to move out the excess. And let me show you. Look at that. Okay, so now let's put our fruit around this salad. Okay? Okay, so I have some watermelon here. And I cut the watermelon up in cubes. Okay, now I have some cherries here. We're going to place the cherries right in the front. Let's take the stems off. Okay, now I have some strawberries. Let's place the strawberries right here. Then I have some dried cranberries. Dried cranberries. Okay, let's put them on this end. now I think we have completed our setup of the salad and fruit display. How about that? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? What a view. Right? Okay, and I have some buttermilk ranch dressing for the dressing. Okay guys, so that completes our demonstration. So I don't want to cut it up because I like the display as is, and I got company coming, so I want to put this on my table. But I wanted to show you what you could do when you have company to make a nice display for your table. Okay? Okay. And the word of the day is be creative. That's the word of the day. Okay, talk to you soon. Love you. Share the video. Subscribe. Bye-bye. Give it a thumbs up. Thanks.